Okay, hello everyone. I've got an instructional video here today on the XT series of mowers, how to set the cutter bar pressure. This particular machine is an XT390. Now, it only has two sets of hoses that you need to connect to the tractor, so you're going to be using one SCV bank. The controller is very simple. It just needs a D-plug socket for power. We set the pressure with the cutter bar folded down onto the ground. We've got a nice big gauge here, just reading 0. To set the pressure, just push the button there to on. And using our SCVs, we extend it until we get 60 to 75 bar on the gauge. Then you press off. That set the pressure in the cutter bar, and that will help with the flotation. Another feature these XT models have is the headland management system. The top button, you push that once, green light will illuminate. So now when you go to lift the cutter bar, you'll only lift up to there. There's a little sensor there which stops it from lifting all the way up, and that gives you a headland lift. If you want it to lift all the way up to fold it, push that top button again, light will go off. You're now able to fold it right up. So that top button's just a feature for headland management. One advantage of the XT mowers is it can be removed from the tractor in this folded up position. It's got 4 big legs. They make it very stable, and it takes up a lot less room in your barn. So to relieve the pressure, this bottom button, we just turn it on again, and you just put your SCV lever into float, and it'll dump all the pressure right off. So it's good practice at the end of the day when you finish mowing, or if you're removing the machine from the tractor to relieve that pressure. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll release some more videos in future.